There's our law of comparison over here in the middle of the chart towards the bottom. See, I'm on chart C31. Okay, comparison. We're talking about, we're talking about the comparison laws. Okay, so we're here at the bottom. Okay, the first law they're asking about is reflexive. So let's see what's reflexive. A equals A. Okay, then it's reflexive. Okay, so here this picture or the domino is exactly similar to this picture, so it's reflexive, right? And then they're asking also to complete the domino dots. So if this is equal to this, it has to look exactly like that. So I'm just gonna copy that. The next one, okay, if this is equal to this, then this is equal to what? Okay, so let's look at the next law, which is symmetry, which says if A equals B, then B equals A. Okay, so if this is A and this is B, if A equals B, then B equals A. And that law is the symmetry. Okay, the next one is the transitive. If A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. Okay, if A equals B and B equals C, okay, this is equal to this and this is equal to this, then the law says then A equals C, right? So this should be equal to this. So then A equals C. What is C? This is C. And this law is called the transitive law. Okay, then they're talking about inequality. Here, this is where inequality is here. Okay, so this law starts with A. Okay, I think it's additive law, where they talk about if A is less than B, then A plus C is less than B plus C. Okay, so if you have a number, say 2 is less than 3, then 2 plus 1 is less than 3 plus 1, right? So just try to substitute and try to understand. So the inequality law for additive law says, this is additive law, which says that if A is less than B, then A plus C, this is your C, okay, this is A plus C is less than B plus C. So this is your B and this is your C, so that is less than B plus C. Okay, and the same law says if A is less than B and C is greater than 0, then AC is less than BC. Okay, so let's write that down. If A is less, oh sorry, this is a greater law, hold on. Let's see, if A is greater than B, then A plus C is greater than B plus C, I guess this law applies even if your symbols are reversed. So if for example I say 2 is less than 3, then 2 plus 1 is less than 3 plus 1, right? Same way, if 3 is greater than 2, then 3 plus 1 is greater than 2 plus 1, right? So it applies both ways.